Yes, get ready, start. The Chief Justice of India, S.A. Bobde, has passed cosmetic comments against the lower judiciary for granting bail to deceased gangster Vikas Dubey. Justice sorry, Bobde has commented that there seems to be institutional failure when parole was granted to Dubey, despite there being 65 FIRs against him. CJI's remarks are in keeping with his high office and needs to be heeded by lower judiciary across the country. Not just Vikas Dubey, but criminals in general go scot free in the present day police judicial setup, while the Uttar Pradesh police and political bigwigs were supposedly involved with Vikas Dubey and his gymnastics and gave him protection. The legal system also went along meekly with what the police wanted. There, of course, is the standard argument that a court cannot go beyond what documents and arguments the public prosecutor produces at the behest of the police. While this is an accepted aspect of our judicial system, yet there are many instances where the judiciary refuses bail to applicants without rhyme and reason. Many bail pleas are rejected of people who do not have previous or concurrent allegations or FIRs. In other words, many times history sitters go scot free from the same court, whereas others with no past records are dumped in jails for unlimited periods. It is not as if Indian judiciary is super prompt in dealing with cases. India, no doubt, is a country of litigants. The main judicial system of the formal courts has been proven ineffective in meting out quick justice. While the CJI commented about Vikas Dubey getting bail, one is drawn to the fact that this is could happen simply because there was immense media glare on Dubey. That too, not only because he gunned down 8 UP police personnel, but more because of his links with the chief minister of that state. In a similar vein, the highest judicial authority of the land should also cast that state in a similar vein a look at the social and political detentions across the nation that the lower judiciary has been neglecting. Full stop.